Feeling tired, bloated, or low on energy? It might be time to give your liver some love. Your liver is your body's natural filter, and when it's overloaded, everything feels off. In this video, I'll show you how to detox your liver naturally at home, using just 3 simple ingredients you probably already have. Let's clean things up, from the inside out. Your liver processes everything you eat, drink, and absorb. Over time, it can get overwhelmed by things like processed foods, alcohol, medications, and environmental toxins. This can lead to fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, skin problems, and even hormonal imbalance. Supporting your liver helps your entire body reset. Here are the 3 ingredients you'll need for this easy, effective liver cleanse drink. Lemon juice. It's high in vitamin C, boosts enzyme production, and helps flush toxins. Turmeric powder. It's a natural anti-inflammatory, protects liver cells and supports bile production. Warm water. It hydrates and stimulates digestion, plus it helps carry waste out of the body. And hey, as an optional add-on, a pinch of black pepper helps your body absorb the turmeric better. Okay, so here's how to prepare it. First, squeeze half a lemon into a glass. Then, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next, pour in 1 cup of warm water. Stir it well, and if you want a little extra absorption power, go ahead and add a pinch of black pepper. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Doing this daily for a week can help boost your energy levels, improve digestion, clear up your skin, reduce bloating, and even strengthen your immune system. To take it further, try to reduce alcohol, cut back on processed foods, and increase the greens in your meals. Your liver works hard for you every single day. Give it a little support naturally and it'll thank you with more energy, clearer skin, and better digestion. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to the Best Acai for more natural health tips, and share this with someone who could use a gentle reset.